Your living area where you can easily place a large size sofa. We have your kitchen space where you will be getting two parallel platforms. Spacious your master bedroom is. You can easily. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Sereno by AVA Life Spaces located in Vasai East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, behind which we also have the actual land parcel, where you can see the actual towers and the construction is in full swing. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2 acres that will have total of 4 towers with ground plus 2 level of podium parking plus 28 residential floors having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with infinity swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, kids play area, cricket turf and many more amenities, and also this project has a mandir within the vicinity. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Yashwant Smart City, Vasai East, from where Vasai railway station is at a distance of 2 kilometers, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 20 minutes, D-Mart is at a distance of 7 to 8 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 500 meters from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are entering your spacious 2 BHK of the residential project Sereno. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 653 square feet. As we enter, you can have a look at your spacious living and dining area. You can see how spacious your living and dining is. Over here, we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 4-people dining table and enjoy meal time with your friends and family. Over here is your living area where you can easily place a large size sofa, center table and customize your TV unit. Also, you have plenty of walkable space even after placing your furniture. You will be getting vitrified tiles on the whole flat, and in the living, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs, or you can place your swings and enjoy the views with your friends and families. Also, this flat is on a butterfly layout, so you have bedrooms on both the sides. So your first bedroom is on this side, and as we enter, you can see how spacious this bedroom is. You can place your king size bed along with your side tables. Also, you can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing your furniture. Over here is your wardrobe space provided that you can customize as per your choice, which has great depth. And again, in this bedroom, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs or your swings and enjoy the views. Moving forward, a plus point about this apartment is that you will be getting false ceilings in the living room and in the master bedroom both. And over here we have your alley area that has entrance to your kitchen, common washroom and your master bedroom. First, this side we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. Also, the lower cabinets will be provided. You can see how spacious this kitchen is that you have walkable space even after opening your cabinets. You can customize your upper cabinets later, and again you will be getting a dryer balcony where you can place your washing machine. Also, you have space provided to place your refrigerator in the kitchen. Opposite to your kitchen is your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, geyser is provided in both your washrooms. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you can see how spacious your master bedroom is. You can easily place your king size bed. Along with your side tables, you have walkable space even after placing your furniture. Wardrobe space provided is niche wardrobe space that gives your bedroom a bigger look. And as I mentioned earlier, you will be getting false ceilings in your master bedroom as well. And in the master bedroom again, you have full French windows with a very spacious balcony from where you can enjoy your views. And in this corner, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And as I mentioned earlier as well, you have geysers provided in both your washrooms. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sereno. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was your 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sereno by AVA Life Spaces located in Vasai East.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.